Hi everyone! So this video today is a really quick one on how to make super easy mango chutney. So the ingredients you'll need is one ripe mango, quite a large one, some brown sugar, light brown soft sugar, chilies, flakes, garlic and ginger, and some cider vinegar as well. So first what you have to do is to chop your mango into pieces. So I've got a video already up on YouTube on how to do this. So you can just pop over there and have a look at it. But it's super easy. Cut both sides down the stone, which is in the middle, and then you kind of do score the flesh with your knife, and you can cut it into cubes like so. And it doesn't really matter for this recipe whether it's in perfect cubes or not, because everything's going to be cooking down in the pan. So pop all the mango into a little saucepan. So then what you're going to do is you're going to add some brown sugar over that and a splash of cider vinegar, and so the sugar and the vinegar kind of balance each other out with sweet and sour, and the vinegar helps to kind of make this chutney really tasty, and the sugar kind of caramelizes with the juices of the mango, so it's super tasty. So then you sprinkle over chili flakes here. So if you don't have any fresh red chili, it's fine to use dried chili flakes. That's perfectly fine to use. So we want to pop that onto the hob, and you kind of want to cook it on a simmer until the mango breaks down and it becomes like a mushy kind of texture. You don't want it completely smooth, you just want it kind of a bit pulpy like so. And yeah, this took about 10-15 minutes or so to do. It's only one mango, but obviously if you're doing more mango it's going to be more. Hi guys, if you enjoyed my video on how to make mango chutney, please like and subscribe below. Leave any comments if you want. If you try it out at home, let me know how it turned out, or what you ate it with and everything, and I hope you enjoy it.